Welcome back to another video. Today we have the buy one get one free from Cobalt. Loves. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the bell icon so we can buy tools like this, make more tool review videos. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Pretty much what you do is you go to loves.com, you go to Cobalt Starter Kit here on the search section of the page, and then you scroll down. You don't go to this one, you go to the one that says, see, this one even qualifies for that free gift too, the buy one get one free. If you buy that $199 deal with the 4-tool combo kit, it says right here, free gift with purchase. So we're gonna go down to, for now we're just gonna go down to this one. See, even this one qualifies for that too. The Cobalt XTR 3 tool 20 volt max brushless tool combo kit with the hard case. Looks like that's the only one. So we're gonna go ahead and choose this one, because this one's the one that's that I originally wanted to make this video. So we're just gonna go ahead and click this one. So this is the one with the 2.4 amp hour batteries. So you will know which one is the kit. Here's the kit, the item number here if you guys want to put that in there. Alright, so when you get to this page, obviously you're going to be looking for the 2.4 amp hours and the charger. That's the starter kit. And it's going to say right here, select your free gift. Pick a free accessory items, only NAN days left. So I don't know what that means, but let's choose our free tool. So these, alright, so the first tool is 24 volt max variable speed brushless dry cordless impact wrench. So you got an impact wrench. You got the 18-piece cordless brushless 24 amp volt max variable speed oscillating multi-tool kit with soft case. Or you can select the 20 volt max brushless cordless random orbital sander. Or you can select 7-inch 10-watt outdoor portable speaker, the 1-speed cordless 24 volt max amp cutting rotary tool, or you can choose the 2000 lumen LED rechargeable portable work light. It's a nice light. And they do have the 24 volts max 1/4 variable speed brushless fixed cordless router bar tool only. It's not available in my store. It may be available in your store, so be sure to check it out before they sell out. Or you can choose the 24 volt max power tool battery charger. So this is the multi-port thing, so you can charge multiple batteries. I guess it does have some USB ports in there. And then you can choose the 24 volt max 24 max 6.5 brushless cordless circular saw with the brake and metal shoe. Alright, and then you can choose the 24 volt max variable speed brushless cordless reciprocating saw bar tool only. And then you can choose the Cobalt 24 volt max brushless cordless belt sander. So you guys got a lot to choose from here. Definitely check it out, guys. You guys got a whole lot of items you guys are in this line. This will help you guys expand your line. So I'm going to choose this one, the belt sander. Looks, it might not be the most expensive, but we're going to choose that one. And then we're just going to choose add to the cart. So we got both items in there. It says estimated total 149. So we'll go ahead and go to the cart and let's see what the final price is. Alright guys, yeah. So you guys could see here, you got $139. Minus 139, so you're getting that for free. The total of this items will be 149 for two 4 amp hour batteries, a charger, and a tool. Definitely check it out, guys. This is a great deal. If you're into this line, if you want to get into this fairly inexpensive line, middle of the grade, prosumer level line here, definitely check it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete this. I'm going to try this with another tool real quick. I'm just going to choose this reciprocating saw. Alright, so total 129. That's not a bad deal. Alright, we're going to choose another one here. We're going to choose this. It's a total of 99. Yeah, so the better ones are going to be the ones at the bottom. This router, I guarantee, yeah, this router is going to be one of the better ones right there. This one's going to be a good one too. So any of these three at the bottom, either the router, the circular saw, the reciprocating saw, or this brushless cordless belt sander. If you guys see here, $139 regular price, $129. So the most expensive of a tool you get, the more you're getting for your money for this. So definitely go for any of these three. These are the, or four. This one, even that one. Because these are $69, $99. I mean, if you really need them, you can get them. But if you want to save the more money, go for those. Anyways, that's just a quick video I wanted to make for you guys. Before I let you guys go, I'm going to go ahead and try the other toolkits. Alright, let's see here. We got this one. I'm going to go ahead and try this one with the XTR. So alright, so you got 3 tool combo kit, power tool kit with the hard case, charger included, two batteries. So you got a drill driver here. It's a hammer drill with the handle. You got an impact driver. You got a charger. You got a new battery there, and then the smaller battery there. It's a 2 amp hour. This is a 4 amp hour. And then you got a light. So it's a 3 tool. Actually, it's a 2 tool combo kit, but you know, they call it 3. So if you add one of these tools, yep, you can the same way. Just I'm gonna add the circular saw. Somehow it's okay. So it's added to the cart. $249. Let's add this to the cart. So let's see here. Let's delete this thing. Alright, $249, guys. Total savings $179. So guys, these are definitely some great deals you guys could get. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy tools like this, make more to review videos. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.